Hello Year 11 and welcome to your first lesson on Chapter 5. This first exercise is titled Interpreting Graphs, and there's no examples for this exercise, so I've just pulled a few of the questions out on different types of graphs to go through them with you. I'm going to have to do a video for each individual graph type because I tried to film it all in one take, but my iPad did not like that and stopped recording and deleted it. So to begin with, we're going to look at picture graphs. So picture graphs use symbols to represent quantities, and this picture graph we're looking at, it's showing the number of cars passing a local high school at different times of the day. Always make sure you check what one image or picture represents. So in this case, it is 10 cars. So for A, it's asking, what does half a car represent? So if one car represents 10 cars, half a car is going to represent 5 cars. B is how many cars pass the school between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. So here are my times. I'm going to look for my 2 to 4 p.m. So I'm going to just do some shorthand. Remember, we need to communicate what we're doing. So number cars, and I'm going to write 2 to 4 p.m. It's going to equal 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. So I'm going to write that out, and that's 10, 20, 30, 5 cars. C is what time of the day had the least traffic, so the least amount of pictures. That's going to be 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. And again, we can shorthand this a little bit. Finally, write a paragraph describing the traffic flow and suggesting reasons for the differences. I'm not going to write it out, but I would expect something along the lines of the busiest times of the day are 8 to 10 a.m. and 2 to 4 p.m. This is most likely because this is school drop-off and pick-up time, whereas the 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. is the quieter time of day, and this might have something to do with people are still getting up and getting ready. All right, that's our first example. Have a look at the next one. We're going to have 7 videos all together, but hopefully you'll be able to interpret a graph like a pro by the end of it.